Ikinasal na ang Filipino-German model actor na si Will Devon sa kanyang long-time non-showbiz partner na si Joan de la Rama sa isang hotel resort sa Batangas. Sa social media proud na ibinahagi ng bagong kasal ang mga naging kaganapan sa kanilang kasal na 2 linggo lang daw ang naging preparasyon na dinaluhan ng kanilang respective families at malalapit na kaibigan. Ayon kay Will, "It's official. We pulled it off in 2 weeks. No one tripped, the rings fit, and yes, the rain stopped at the perfect time. This was more than just a wedding. It was a mindful gathering of love, laughter, family, and soul connections. A celebration not only of two becoming one, but of presence, gratitude, and the beauty of shared moments. No wedding is perfect, but our prayer was that in every little intentional moment, the light and love of God could be felt by all." Dagdag pa niya, "Thank you to everyone who has walked with us since the beginning of our journey. A big thank you to our loved ones and friends near or far and amazing sponsors who helped bring this vision to life." Bumuhos naman ang mga congratulatory message mula sa mga netizens at sa mga kaibigan nina Will at Joan sa kanilang pag-iisang dibdib. Anila, "Congratulations, Will, proud of you. On to the next chapter of life. Wishing your family all the togetherness and love."